How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and welcome to another episode of SpeedTech SpotLight. In this episode, I wanted to go over some of our 3 and 4 color options on our MultiColor Z8 and Z12 linear Z surface mounts. So first up here, I brought a series of our MultiColor Z8 surface mounts. Now these will be a 3-color configuration where clear is my secondary color. So first up here, I brought a red, blue, clear color example. So you'll see that unit is flashing back and forth between its red, blue primary colors and clear secondary color there. And then here I brought a red, amber, clear color example. And then next to that one, I brought a blue, amber, clear color example. And then next to that one, I brought a green, amber, clear color example. And you will notice that all of my Z surface mounts are on different flash patterns, but all of these units will come with multiple flash patterns programmed in them. And so I have the power cables connected to my switches here on my universal switch box. Now I took the green cables of all these units and hooked that up to my F switch here to show you the demonstration of how your secondary color will override the warning functionality of your Z surface mounts. So on all of these, you'll see I'm in my flashing mode. Now if I activate my green steady burn override cable, my units will go to steady burn clear. So this is a perfect option if you need a warning color plus that steady burn clear option as well. And you'll activate your warning color with the main red power cables, and then with your green steady burn override cable, that will override to the secondary color of your Z surface mounts. And again, for example, here were some clear secondary color surface mounts in our 3-color configurations. Now we do have 3-color configurations where amber is the secondary color as well, available in our Z8 and MultiColor Z12 linears. So let's go over those. So here I brought some of our MultiColor Z12 linears in our 3-color combinations where amber is the secondary color. So the first unit here is a red, blue, amber color setup. And you'll notice your unit is flashing back and forth between your primary red, blue and your secondary amber color there. And then next to that one, I brought a red, clear, amber color setup. And then next to that one, I brought a blue, clear, amber color setup. And then next to the blue, clear, amber, I brought a green, clear, amber color setup there. And again, you'll notice all of my Z surface mounts are on different flash patterns, but all of these units will have multiple flash patterns programmed in them to choose from. And you can simply change your flash pattern by tapping your yellow cable to the positive connection. And then also with your green steady burn override cable, your unit will override to steady burn amber, as you see here. So when I activate the green steady burn override cable, that will activate the steady burn feature, which is your secondary color, and that will go to steady burn. And then when you deactivate your green cable, it will go back to your warning mode, which will be activated by your main red power cable. Now here I brought a red, blue, amber, clear color combination in our Z8 and our Z12. And also I synced these units so you can sync your MultiColor Z8 and your MultiColor Z12 series surface mounts as well. And so here you'll see that your unit is flashing back and forth between your red, blue primary color and your amber, clear secondary color. And then if you steady burn override these units using the green cable, your units will go to steady burn amber clear, since that is the secondary color there. And then also built into the flash patterns, you have the ability to run your units in your primary color or your secondary color. So I'll go ahead and show you that here. So my units are in sync. Now I went ahead and hooked up my yellow flash pattern cables to the last switch on my universal switch box, which is a momentary switch. So I can easily use my F switch here to cycle through my different flash patterns. And so I'll get to the end of the pattern sequence here, and then you'll see that I'll have 4 patterns in my primary color and 4 patterns in my secondary color. So let me go ahead and get to the end of the sequence here. So at the end of the sequence, again, you'll see that you have 4 patterns in your primary color. So I have 4 patterns in red, blue here. So pattern 1, pattern 2, pattern 3, and pattern 4. And then past those, I'll have 4 patterns in my secondary color. So I'll have 4 patterns in amber clear. So pattern 1, pattern 2, pattern 3, and pattern 4. So you do have that ability to run your units in your primary or secondary colors by using the built-in flash patterns, and then past those you'll be back into your multicolor flash patterns. So that gives you an overview of our 3 and 4 color options on our MultiColor Z8 and Z12 surface mounts. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.